Okay, guys, it is another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. Okay, so it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking right here. However, before I go for it, in case you're joining me for, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. Okay, so all you just need to do is just to follow up with everything I am doing in this video so that you will get to know how to go about it. Okay, so if you are just joining me for the first time, I will advise you to subscribe to this channel, follow me, and of course, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, we will be starting with GainX 1200. So guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame and I'm using the 3M train Milka trade indicator to do my analysis right from here. So just like we have said, this had been on uptrend for a very long time. The uptrend actually started from here. It has broken out from most resistance zone, okay, to give us more buying opportunity. This is another setup for another buying opportunity, and you can see all the TPs have been achieved. And right now, it has gotten to this resistance zone, okay. So if it breaks out above it, it will buy more. But if it does not, it's going to sell. So right now, it may likely pull back a bit before it will make an attempt to buy because this is still very much an option. I should take it down to, I mean, take it up to 1 hour time frame. You're going to see that this is still on uptrend. Okay, so you can see it right here. We still have all these spaces. These areas to milk. Okay, so this is very very important. So we just need to break out above this resistance zone before this is going to happen. Okay, so once that happens, then definitely it will keep on back. And of course, if before it will happen, it's most likely for it to pull back a bit before it will now make attempts to break out from there. So for now, this is still buying at the moment. The next asset is going to be GainX 999. This is GainX 999. It has also been on uptrend right from here. So we've been following it up to see if it's going to go fully into a downtrend. Okay. So it got to this resistance zone and it's trying to go back on downtrend. So this is selling at the moment. Once it breaks out below this particular trend line, definitely it's going to sell more. And it is possible for us to find it around, see it get into this region. Okay. So this is very, very important. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity, most especially once it breaks out below all the support region. Okay. So the next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. This is actually sold till it got to this support region. It's decided to go back on uptrend, but got stopped at this point, and of course came back on downtrend, broke out from the last support region, but at this point it has gotten to a new support region. If it should break out from here, it's going to sell more. If it does not, then it will switch back into an uptrend and it's going to buy more this time around. Okay, so for now, this is still selling until it is unable to break out from this support region. Okay, so the next asset is going to be Paynex 999. This is Paynex 999. Just like we have analyzed this particular asset yesterday, I said it's going to buy for a while, but most especially once it breaks out from here. And you can see it gave us an uptrend signal at this support region since it's unable to break out below it. And of course, it has been buying since then, and it is still buying right now, even though it is at the resistance zone. If it should break out above it, it's going to buy more, but if it does not, it will switch back into a downtrend. But for now, it is still more of a buying opportunity until it is unable to break out from the resistance zone. Okay, so this is still buying for now. Okay, so the next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. This had been on downtrend right now. Okay, so it had been on downtrend for a while right from here, and we milked it together. It got to this support zone. and we feel that it should go back into an uptrend right from there. But we are still waiting for it, guys. We are still waiting for it. It has been playing around there for a while, so we just need to break out above this in order for it to buy more. Okay, so wait for the right signal. We expect more buying opportunity from here, and of course, if it should break out below this support zone, then definitely it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is still very much I mean, we are still expecting it to go fully into an uptrend so that we can have an opportunity to buy more right from there. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you can now try it out on your real account. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.